In this video, we will break down the 5 best fish finders for 2026, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you choose the right tool for your next fishing trip. From advanced sonar systems to high-clarity underwater cameras, each pick offers something unique. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's get started. Number 5. Lucky Portable Fish Finder. The Lucky Portable Fish Finder immediately stands out with its compact build and 2-inch high-definition liquid crystal display color, screen supported by light-emitting diode backlighting. This allows clear visibility whether you are fishing under bright sun or in low light. Its round transducer sensor, paired with a 7.5-meter cable and a removable float, uses a 45-degree beam angle to scan underwater surroundings with reliable precision. Accuracy reaches up to 98%, enabling the device to detect fish, measure water depth, and differentiate between grass, rocks, sand, and weed formations. The integrated fish alarm provides an audible signal the moment movement is detected, adding an extra edge when you are monitoring multiple lines or shifting locations. Settings are flexible, allowing you to fine-tune sensitivity, choose between readings in meters or feet, and pick from several mounting methods. You can attach it to a boat hull, let it rest on the float, secure it to a pole, or lower it through ice during winter sessions. This adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of environments. Powered by 4 AAA batteries, the unit can read depths up to 100 meters or 328 feet. Its lightweight design enhances portability, making it an excellent choice for beginners seeking guidance and experienced anglers wanting a dependable, easy-to-carry tool for more efficient fishing. Number 4. Sonar Portable Fish Finder. The Sonar Portable Fish Finder begins with a compact, smart design centered on a wireless sonar sensor engineered for both casual outings and more focused angling sessions. Its detection depth ranges from 0.6 meters to 36 meters, providing dependable performance whether you are navigating shallow lake edges or scanning deeper sea zones. Operating at a frequency of 125 kHz, the device projects a wide 90-degree sonar beam angle that captures detailed underwater information with impressive accuracy. Paired with a maximum receiving range of 328 feet, it supplies real-time readings that help you locate fish quickly and interpret underwater structure with confidence. A clear English interface keeps operation simple, allowing you to adjust settings or review readings without interruption. Because it runs on a standard number 5 battery, it avoids the inconvenience of charging routines and remains ready for use whenever needed. Its lightweight build enhances portability, making it suitable for use from a boat, a kayak, or the shoreline. The integrated alarm transducer delivers an audible alert the moment fish activity is detected, reducing the idle time many anglers experience while monitoring the water. This feature proves especially helpful when casting multiple lines or surveying a large area. By combining advanced sonar performance with straightforward operation and easy transport, the Sonar Portable Fish Finder offers a reliable tool that streamlines the search for fish. Number 3. Lucky Sonar Fish Finder FF1108. The Lucky Sonar Fish Finder FF1108 delivers a powerful blend of portability and advanced detection features through its rechargeable wireless sensor and 2.4-inch thin film transistor color liquid crystal display. It presents real-time readings of water depth, water temperature, fish size, fish depth, and bottom contours, allowing you to assess the environment quickly and choose the best spot to cast. With a wireless operating range reaching 150 meters and depth detection up to 45 meters, the device adapts easily to ice fishing, river fishing, sea fishing, and even night sessions. Its sonar uses a 90-degree beam angle at 125 kHz, offering broad underwater coverage with strong accuracy across different water conditions. A built-in fish, attractive lamp enhances visibility in low light, while the anti-clutter system minimizes unwanted noise for a clearer display. The unit provides 9 sensitivity levels, adjustable zoom, brightness controls, and customizable fish alarms for small, medium, and large fish. You can also adjust language settings and preferred measurement units, supported by built-in memory that saves your configurations for future trips. Both the handheld receiver and the sonar sensor are rechargeable, offering approximately 4 hours and 10 hours of operation respectively. The splash-proof construction makes it reliable for outdoor use. Number 2. Lucky FF918 CWLS. The Lucky FF918 CWLS wireless fish finder presents a professional-level setup with a 3.5-inch multi-viewing angle thin-film transistor display, delivering a resolution of 320 by 420 pixels. This screen provides clear underwater imaging with strong target separation, allowing you to distinguish fish from structure with confidence. Its wireless operating range reaches up to 980 feet, paired with a depth capability of 100 meters, which makes the device well-suited for boat fishing across oceans, rivers, and lakes. The sonar uses a 45-degree beam angle at 200 kHz, supplying precise readings of fish position, water depth, temperature, and bottom contour. A vivid scanning palette enhances visual contrast, making it easier to interpret returns in various environments. Adjustable backlight brightness helps maintain readability in both direct sunlight and low light. Users can tailor performance through settings for sensitivity, zoom, measurement units, depth range, shallow alerts, fish icons, fish alarms, and chart speed. Built-in memory preserves your customized sonar preferences even after powering down. The system draws power from an 11 to 13 volt direct current source, and a 10 to 12.5 volt battery is recommended for the signal tower to maintain stable performance. The display presents comprehensive information including battery capacity, zoom levels, surface line, water depth, temperature, and fish size indicators grouped as small, medium, and large. Operating effectively from -14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, the Lucky FF918 CWLS offers dependable sonar performance for anglers seeking detailed underwater insight. Number 1. WF1 Plus Fish Finder Camera. The WF1 Plus Fish Finder camera begins with a 9-inch color-thin film transistor display paired with a sun visor, delivering bright and clear underwater visuals even under strong daylight. This makes it well-suited for lake fishing, ice fishing, and general underwater exploration, where reliable visibility is essential. A 1000 television lines imaging chip provides sharp detail and accurate color reproduction, allowing you to capture vivid underwater scenes and observe fish behavior with clarity. This level of definition is especially helpful for anglers who want to monitor structure, movement, and habitat in real time. To handle low light or murky water, the system incorporates 12 infrared lights that automatically activate and shift the camera into black and white mode. This adjustment enhances contrast and detail, making it practical for night fishing or ice fishing sessions, where ambient light is limited. Power is supplied by a durable black battery box, paired with a 4,500 mAh rechargeable battery, supporting up to 8 hours of continuous operation. This extended runtime ensures long fishing trips without needing to recharge. With an ingress protection 68 rating, the WF1 Plus is engineered to withstand demanding underwater environments. Its robust build, dependable power system, and high-quality visuals make it a valuable tool for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts who want a clear view beneath the surface and a deeper understanding of underwater conditions. There you have it, the top 5 fish finders that stand out in 2026 for reliability, accuracy, and innovation. Whether you are upgrading your gear or buying your first device, each option delivers strong performance on the water. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All product links and updated pricing details are in the description below.